Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel today, and today I'm in my company studio. This is so professional. Anyway, today I want to talk about 6 worst study habits that will consume your precious time but not help you learn anything. So let's get started. So the first one is not setting a goal. Have you ever had a day when you were just doing something but not doing anything because you don't know where you're going and you don't know where you're heading to? And that is because you do not have a goal. And that is why having a goal and having a why is very important to be successful. It could be just daily goal, weekly goal, monthly goal, or yearly goal. And having a goal and having a why is the biggest driving factor that can help you succeed. And personally, I have my daily goals, monthly goals, and 1-year goals, and 5-year goals. I'll use my planner to write down my daily and monthly goals, and I use my vision board to have my 1-year goal and 5-year goals to remind myself every day where I'm heading to and what I want to achieve in the future. And if you want to see how I made my vision board, I have another video for it, so go check it out in the description. And if you're having a hard time setting up goals, I'm also planning on making another video about how to make goals and how to make goals effectively. So stay tuned and maybe subscribe to my channel. Alright, the second one is multitasking. I get it, like you want to watch Netflix, you want to watch TikTok while studying for the exam, while doing your homework. But it is scientifically proven that multitasking is really bad. So according to a research conducted by Stanford University, multitasking is less productive than doing a single thing at a time. Also, people who multitask consistently cannot pay attention and recall information compared to those who complete one at a time. Surprisingly, the research also found that multitasking lowers your IQ and also damages your brain. I mean, isn't that scary? I thought I could watch The Office on Netflix and study for my math exam at the same time, but apparently I was making myself dumber and damaging my own brain. Also, I can guarantee you that if you focus on one task at a time, it will not only make your workflow more efficient, but you will be able to finish all of your work even faster. So let's stop multitasking, people, and we can still watch TikTok or YouTube or Netflix after we're done with our work and before going to sleep. Third one is rereading, or also known as passive reading. In my opinion, passive reading or rereading is complete wasting of time. There are 2 types of reading: passive reading and active reading. Passive reading is when you're reading the article, but actually you're not understanding or observing anything when you're reading it. So basically you're reading and you're just not getting anything out of it. It's wasting of time. On the other hand, active reading. Active reading is when you're reading an article with having a mindset that you will understand the main point and you will observe all the informations within the article. What I hate about passive reading is that you will have to eventually read the article you read again because you don't understand anything from the first time you read. This is a waste of your time when we all have such limited time every single day. And if you don't know how to do active reading, don't worry about it. I'll make another video for it. And quick tip of active reading is, before you start reading, maybe read a summary about the reading, or maybe go back of the book and read a quick preview of the book so that you will know what this book is about and you will be able to find something that you will be looking forward to when you're reading the book. That way, when you're reading, you're actively reading the article. Fourth worst study habit is avoiding your weakness. When you're studying, what do you usually start with? Do you start with something that you enjoy and you know you're really good at it? Or do you start with something that you hate doing and you know you suck at it? Well, if you start with the one you're good at it, later on, you're not gonna have enough energy to fight the weakness point and improve yourself. Also, if you're scared to face your weakness, you will never get better at that part of yourself. So when you're studying, start with your weakness and then reward yourself with your strength part. And I'm telling you, this will help you a lot. Fifth one is studying in your bed. Okay, this I cannot emphasize more. When I moved to America, I was so surprised how people actually study in their beds. In Korea, if I were to do that, my parents will literally whip my ass and just kick me out of the house, because bed is a place where you sleep, where you rest. It's not a place where you study and where you can be productive. Think of bed. What do you do in your bed? You watch TikTok before you're going to sleep. You sleep, you rest, you take a nap. Nothing here is related to studying and nothing here is related to being productive. So your brain already knows that staying in the bed will not be productive time. And that is why your brain will not be awake compared to when you're actually studying in your designated place, such as your table, or if you don't have a table, get a small table from Amazon for about $30 and study on the floor. Or you can just go to your dining room and study on the dining table. See, there's a lot of alternatives you can use other than bed. Last one is refusing to get help. Here, It is your ego that drags you down from being successful. If you hate asking for help, let me ask you, why are you scared to ask for help? What is stopping you? Because you think asking for help is going to make you look stupid or embarrass yourself? I don't think so. I do a lot of tutoring. I help a lot of my friends with their assignments, or I help my friends applying to colleges as well. And I think those people who ask me for help are very brave, and that they want to get better about themselves. They want to improve themselves. And that is why asking for help should not be something that you are scared about or that you are embarrassed about. Asking for help is the best way for you to improve, because sometimes we don't know how to improve, or sometimes we don't know how to get better. And that time you need to find someone who you think is better, or who you think has already achieved what you have achieved, and ask them for help and tips. And I guarantee you, they'll be more than happy to help you with whatever the problems you're going through at the moment. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope that these 6 worst habits for studying will not affect you, because we only have 24 hours a day and we have such limited time, so why not just have some great study habits rather than those worst habits, so that you can get the most out of your time and then stay efficient and effective. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and bye bye.